Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Checkstyle IDE plugin and immediately pointing it at a rules file. Once installed, open Settings, search Checkstyle, then add a configuration and select your XML rules file. Make sure to choose either a project level or global location so other team members can reuse it. This first step connects IntelliJ to the linter. Without a valid XML path, Checkstyle won't run. Once the configuration is added, select it and set the scope to the project or specific modules you want checked. Next, enable on-the-fly inspections so violations show in the editor, and run a full Checkstyle scan from the plugin panel to populate the results. While you wait, map Checkstyle severities to IntelliJ severities so quick fixes and gutter markers behave as you expect. This ensures both automatic feedback and consistent reports. You finish by using quick fix suggestions and the editor's reformat to address violations. Once done, rerun the Checkstyle scan to confirm no remaining issues. Make sure to integrate Checkstyle into your build or CI so problems don't reappear later. If something breaks, first verify the XML path and that the plugin version matches your IntelliJ release, then check project file encoding and module class paths. That single troubleshooting tip usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.